Good morning, dear students. This is Professor Mukta Chandani. Today, I will teach you about the management of your precious time because time is very, very precious for everyone's life. The time, whatever the time is coming right now, will never come in our future. So, you should have to manage your time with proper way. So today I will teach you about the management skills, time management skills. What are they? First of all, just I want to ask some questions. Do you have less time? Do you feel that you have too much of pressures of work? Do you mostly live in a state of stress? Do you forget to do the urgent and important tasks at the right nick of time? Do you face problems while taking decisions? If all the answer to these questions is yes, then its chief reason is that you are not able to manage your time in a proper manner. All these questions, if the answer of these questions are yes, then you are not managing your time because you always forget the important task at the right nick of time. That is, this is the lack of proper time management. In all fields, correct time management is very, very necessary. Without it, you will neither be able to face obstructions coming across nor to be able to fulfill your duties and responsibilities in a proper manner. In all fields, you always need the proper time management. Without it, you will never be fulfill your achievements, fulfill your all the task, whatever you have decided to do. So it is very, very important that you should have to manage your time always. For that, if there is no time management, never be able to execute your important task. You would never be execute your important task at the right nick of time, because if you are taking the target of doing that task in the proper time, if you have not managed your time, then you will never be fulfill that task. So time management plays a very important role in completing all tasks with easy manner. You should have to follow the time management in a right nick of time. You should have to follow all the time management, proper time management. Be that a patient, everyone has the 24 hours of time. Uh, be that a president, PM, head of the village, or any ordinary person. Everyone has the 24 hours. Be that a small shopkeeper or a big industrialist. Any shopkeeper have also the 24 hours. Any industrialist has also the 24 hours of time. Be that a teacher of a school or professor in a university. Any professor, any teacher, whatever shopkeeper, labor, whatever, and any persons, everyone has the 24 hours of time. Be that a nurse or a doctor. All these mentioned person have a total time of 24 hours. Means 86,400 seconds. Every day you are getting 86,400 seconds. Means 24 hours you are every day you are getting. So you should have to manage the time, manage all the times in a proper manner. Means some people do not cry that they do have the shortage of time, although they are fully loaded with the task and responsibilities. Many people say, I have more and more time, whatever, what you want to say, just tell me what is the work, whatever that you have the task, I will do. Means if they are always manage their time and they always say that I have more time, I have more time. In this way, other way, there are some other people who keep on always crying that there is shortage of time, I have no time, many works, many loaded up works. That's why they always cry and cry that I have no time. If you ponder over these issues carefully, you would learn that the problems is not the shortage of time. At the basis of such actual problem lies in the failure of time management. Means which person always crying, I have no time, and which person always say that I have more time. This is not the time. This is not the shortage of time, or this is not the they have the more time, but this is due to the time management. The person who are saying that I have more time, he is always managing his time. The person who is telling that I have no time, he is not managing his proper time management. That's why he is always crying. For example, just I'm giving you one example, that the broom used to clean floor. The broom, you know, the jhadu, the broom used to clean floor is made of many straws. He is completely made of many straws. It is bounded by one string. One string is bounded by to hold those straws. It is able to clean soil or dirt within the fitness. If that string is open, means the broom is combined, tie up with a string, and if the string is open, all the straws of that broom spread here and there and are scattered on the floor. All these straws is scattered in the floor, then these straws are of no use. A single straw is can clean the dirt on the floor? No. Means all the straws are scattered here and there. The time management is also like the string. Means it holds together many virtues of the personality, which are any personality is stringed with the holdness of time management. The time is the string and which hold the total personality of that any person. I'm just telling that there are three main formula for the time management. How you will manage your time. Just I'm telling you how you will manage your time. There are three main formula of time management. That is, first one is build a goal. Second one is decide is your priorities. And third one is analyze time. First of all, you should have to build a goal. You should build a goal like this. Always the important formula of time management is building a goal. You should have to build a goal. Without deciding your goal, you cannot do time management. Time management all. If you have no any goal, you cannot decide your time management. So you should have to make your goal. Whatever the goal you have, you should have. Then you will set your time. There are many people in this world who have reached high post, but even then they never feel that they have a shortage of time. There are so many people in the world that president, that prime minister, they are doing many work, many tasks, but they always say that I have that more and more time. They have never said that they have the short of time. So they easily and beautifully fulfill all the big responsibility at a time. So that's why they have built a goal. Anyone who can build a goal can manage his time properly. So you should have to first of all do the build your goal. Second one is that if you will build a goal, you can fulfill all the tasks in a proper manner and proper time management, because you have a goal to fulfill that target and you will manage the time. In this way, you will fulfill all the goals. Then you have a decide your priorities. You should have to manage your priorities. Means which work you will do first, second, third, like this. The priority of your work is that the important task you should have to manage in the first point of the goal. The priorities of this work are decided automatically and useless tasks are left aside. Sit in a total peace of examine all tasks of your present time. Sit in a peace, sit in a mental peace, and you sit and examine what are the different type of tasks which can be do in the priority manner, then in the secondary manner. Jot down all your expectations, responsibilities, and desires in a diary. You should have managed your diary, and you write down the expectation, responsibility, and desire in a diary. Then divide them into three classes. Most important work, divide into three classes. Important work, most important, first of all, most important work, then important work, and then pending work. You can like this, you can decide your priorities. Then third one is analyze the time. Means time is very, very precious. You analyze your time, because if you are wasting more and more time, then you should have to search where you are wasting that time. Do not forget that each and every second of yours is very precious, so that you do not let it to be wasted. Don't waste your time. Always keep in a proper manner, means but proper budgeting of your time. As you are spend your money, proper budgeting, then so as to spend your time with proper budgeting. Means it is very precious. Time and money both are precious, so equal. Money is also equal to time, and time is equal to money. Ask about the student. First, you can ask a student who has failed the importance of one year. You ask anyone student that who has failed, and one year of important time he already wasted. Ask about the person who do not receive his salary. The importance of 1 month, after 1 month, a labor do not have their salary. So ask what you have spend your time, 1 month of spend of time, and you don't get the salary. So ask what is the importance of time. Ask about the person the importance of 1 week. The editor of the weekly magazine. One magazine is weekly magazine, but the importance of 1 week, the person has not got the salary. That is the very important issue. So of time management, always manage your time in a proper manner. Ask about the importance of day from a daily wage labor who has not been able to do because their city is on the strike right now. The corona pandemic is in the workout. So ask it. It should be asked that what is the importance of a labor. Means every day a labor is working, and every day the wages, daily wages of money is given to him. But nowadays he don't go to outside, and due to corona he don't go outside and get the money. So ask what is the importance of time. We would also ask about the importance of 1 hour from the Alexander, who had requested that give the one of the state in the delay of his death by 1 hour. This is also a story of the Alexander who asked for a 1 hour. Please give me 1 hour, and after 1 hour I will conquer that state, and I will conquer. I will get the winness in that state. So ask about the Alexander. Means ask about the importance of 1 hour. So all these things are asked about the importance of 1 minute from the lucky person who had come out of the building exactly 1 minute before the bomb blast demolished that building. Means after 1 minute, one person come out from the building, and after 1 minute the building is demolished due to the bomb blast. So 1 minute is the importance of 1 minute. What is the importance of 1 minute? We can ask anyone. Ask about the importance of 1 second from the spirit runner and the lost gold medal. 1 second means in the different playgrounds and different games. 1 minute, 1 second is very, very important for getting the success in that game. So every second of life is very, very important. So use proper way in this way. So remember always that as we are introspecting and controlling ourselves, when we are doing to control ourselves, due to this we can analyze our all time management, feeling, imagination, plans, and tasks as well. So you should have to proper analyze your time, where the time you should have to put, where the time you should have to spend. In this way you proper budgeting your time, and spend your time as a proper budgeting of that work. In this way you can get definitely success in your time. This is all about the managing of your precious time, how to manage your precious time. This is presented by Professor Mukta Chandani and Applied Science Sage Group SIRT. Any queries you can contact. All my numbers are flashing on the screen. Thank you very much for your time and cooperations. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video with some more knowledgeable points regarding your personality. Thank you very much.